Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens, and this is episode 37 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really quick here with asparagus. I get a lot of questions about asparagus since I have so many videos about it, but I still get more questions. And one of them is that I got recently, and I apologize I haven't done one in the past, is about pests, or so-called pest. Sometimes I get asparagus that gets eaten up by earwigs or snails or slugs. I'm gonna show you what that looks like right now. With earwigs though, they chew through the bottom of the asparagus and then they climb up and they live in the hollowed out asparagus, but you'll see that easily. You'll see asparagus that doesn't look right, and all of a sudden you could just kick it over easily because it's hollow, and all of a sudden you see a family of earwigs run out of it. Let me show you what slugs and snails look like. Right over here. Now how I knew I'm working on my purple passion, I'll show you that really quick. It's finally coming up. You see the beautiful purple passion asparagus finally coming up. It's been here, I think, about 4 years. Not too sure. I think it's 4, maybe 3.5. So when I was walking over here to the purple asparagus, that's purple passion, this is purple, I noticed the tip was bent. And that's not usually a good sign. Sometimes that means it's stressed out or it was damaged when it was coming out of the ground. So I'm like, oh great, what's going on? And I just looked around, then I saw this. See how it's all eaten up? That's not Lulu, my dog, running and hitting it. That was eaten up most likely by a slug or snail. Right there, let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. You see that? So, this is gonna be, I'm just gonna let it grow. Hopefully let it fern out if it does. If it doesn't, we'll see. And but there'll be more coming up. Now to ensure I get more coming out vigorously is do not harvest, and I've done many videos about this, do not harvest asparagus by cutting them. In nature, let's say if we're eating asparagus, we didn't just go around cutting, we grabbed the asparagus spear and ripped it out of the ground. And that's how I get asparagus year round almost. So with this, I'm gonna yank it up if it doesn't fern out. Happy gardening, everyone.